trying to deliver this load. I kind of came through the wrong way because if my driver's side is not pointing towards these trailers, that means it's gonna be a blind back, and blind backs are no fun because you can't see. So I think I'm gonna try to do a U-turn so I could do a normal back to one of these spots. But it looks like it's full if I can find a spot. This is the one we are going to be going for right here. Okay, so you know how it goes. We pass it. Pass this one. I might turn all the way this way. Start going towards this way. Get that curve. Then turn it all the way back this way. Just to get the curve. Pull up just a little bit, roll the window down, and start backing. I gotta get serious. There's a truck coming waiting for me, so I gotta do this. Right, let's drop this trailer. It's the wrong side, of course. Looking for an empty, I just try to find the newest one. Look, that one looks good actually. This one right here, I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh, 22. Okay, yep. We'll go for the new ones. If there's a new one, we're taking the new one for sure. There's a new one right here, so this is what we're going with. Have to pull up. I'm gonna have to pull up like and then Lamborghini fucking cop car. Alright, let's go hook up to this trailer and get out of here. sure all our lights are working. Tires are good. Not flat. Lights are working. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. It's empty. These tires are good. Good, good, good. Lights working. All right, we ready to go. Oh, you see all the bugs? Oh my God. This thing. It just started raining like crazy. I think this is why I'm in this mood, bro. It's this weather. It's gotta be this weather. I'm telling you, I'm in this gloomy weather, bro. I don't know. I don't be feeling like myself at all. Man, this nigga getting soaked. Shoes on. Should walk carefully. Bro. Oh my gosh. Puddle real quick. Thought they had me. Damn, still ain't put on those shoes. But the sun's coming out. It was just raining so hard. Now the sun wants to come out. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but anytime I get a chance to take a little walk, I'm gonna take it. Get a little bit of exercise in. I went. It was a gas station. They have like hot food, and this is supposed to be like a Chili's Philly cheesesteak. So let's see how this tastes. I'm hungry as fuck, so it's probably gonna taste good. I ain't eat today. It's almost 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna scrap this thing down before I even get back to the truck. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I keep getting this message popping up. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna try to stop right here. See if I can stop right here. Give them a call, see what they say about this. Because this is weird, bro. Like, what does that mean? Look at this area right here. If there was a way to get down here, I for sure would have. There's no, like, clear path. This looked like it started to, but there's no clear path. And there was an area that was just like this, and I seen people down there, you know, but this particular spot, can't make it down there. Would have been nice, because, you know, ooh, that bird, I didn't catch it, but that bird was like majestic. It was orange and shit, yeah. But anyways, I called them on road, and they said that if my hubs are not leaking, you know, they said that the sign is super common when going through the mountainy terrains. So I don't know. So they said to just let it cool down for a little bit, and then I should be good to go. But that's about it. This is a nice area. Look at the view, bro. Just ran into a whole patch of rain. Jeez. Rainforest. Gotta appreciate the rain though, because it's summertime now. I'm not gonna be getting a lot of this, especially not in Vegas, but smells like someone did some crack or something. Like someone did some crack or something in this bitch, bro. What the fuck? I'm actually getting a little. Look at my windshield wipers went. Golly! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! My windshield wipers went into sport. Bruh. Can't forget the thunder. It did it a little bit ago. I think it's done, hopefully. That shit was loud. There's a full-fledged storm I'm driving through right now. Can't see nothing, bro. God damn. Phew, made it out of that for the most part. Still sprinkling a little bit, but pretty much made it sunny now again. Nice. Golly, I know these things were sitting for a cool minute. Good long ass line, bro. There was a camper tipped over, so it's a single lane over here, and these people way back. Golly. Still going. They must have been sitting here for I don't know how long. I thought I was sitting for a long time, and nope. Home sweet home. Finally made it to the terminal in Vegas. It's a little cloudy in Vegas, but it's hot. It sure is hot. It's sunny over there. It's just over there it's cloudy, but now I'm here, home, finna enjoy this little home time, and then, you know, get back to work in a few days. So I might do a home time vlog, I might not, I don't know, we'll see. But that's the end of this video. I would turn the camera around, but my shit's looking so rough at this point, bro. Like, I'm finna go get my hair twisted right now. At 10 o'clock, it's 9:20, so I'm finna start heading over there, get my hair twisted. But anyways, yep, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a like. If you made it all the way to the end of this video this far, leave a like at least, you know. And then also subscribe, because I'm gonna be dropping more vlogs, like, and it's just gonna be lit, so you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'm out.